Hi everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video I'll show you how to fix Throne and Liberty not launching or opening on PC. So if you're having trouble, here's a step-by-step guide to potentially fix the issue. So first of all, point number one, you should always, of course, before playing any game, check system requirements. So ensure your system requirements meets the minimum requirements for your Throne and Liberty. I will say no more and I will just show you the system requirements on the screen so that you can understand. After that, the second solution that fixes a lot of issues as well is you need to try and update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent the game from launching. So let's talk about NVIDIA and AMD individually. So on NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience to update drivers, and respectively on AMD, use Radeon software to update your drivers. Another potential fix in the system will be trying to run the game as administrator. Sometimes games require admin permissions to run properly. So for that, just right-click on the game's executable, the .exe file, the one you use to launch the game, or the shortcut, and select Run as a Administrator. Point number 4, you can try and verify the game files. Corrupted or missing game files may be the cause. If you're using a launcher like Steam or Epic Games, go to the game in your library, select Properties on Steam or Manage on Epic Games, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files or Verify. Also, you can try disabling certain overlays. Overlays like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience may cause launching issues. So let's do a step-by-step trying to fix that. So on Steam, go to Steam Settings, In-Game, uncheck Enable Steam Overlay. On Discord, User Settings, Overlay, disable Enable In-Game Overlay. And on GeForce Experience, in-app settings, general, disable in-game overlay. Also, you might want to try and check for Windows updates to ensure that your system is up to date to fix potential issues. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Add Throne and Liberty to your whitelist in your antivirus software. Disable any antivirus temporarily and try to launch the game. Allow the game through Windows Defender Firewall. Also, you can try reinstalling DirectX and Visual C redistributables. Check background programs so no unnecessary services or applications are running and conflicting with your game. And of course, the last thing you can do is reinstall the game, of course, so that all of the files are deleted and you can just re-download the game from the scratch and try fixing your issue. Also, you can check game-specific forums. Sometimes game forums or support pages might have game-specific fixes. You can look for the community discussions on Throne and Liberty forums or Reddit. If the problem persists after these steps, you might need to contact the game's support team for further assistance. Thank you guys for watching. If you need any further assistance with us and our channel, let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.